2 years ago, law enforcement began asking me if I would run for Smith County District Attorney. And my wife and I, we prayed about it for 2 years. I really sought the Lord's leading. I went to law school because I knew I wanted to be a prosecutor. I wanted to be a prosecutor because I believe in the Constitution and the rule of law. I believe the law is what gives our society order, and we have to give that respect. That means the rule of law applies equally to everyone, all the time. No selective prosecution.
When we were first approached about Jacob running for Smith County District Attorney, I have to admit, I was the hesitant one. I never wanted to be a politician's wife. But the great thing is, Jacob is not a politician. He is a true public servant, and he is running for District Attorney because he wants to serve the citizens of Smith County.
I'm Tom Ramey, and I'm a small manufacturer in Tyler, Texas. And I believe with enormous passion, unbridled passion, that Tyler, Texas is the greatest small city in America. That didn't happen by accident. It didn't happen in a void or a vacuum. It happened because through history, men and women have stood up and said, we're going to make this place special. Well, now is one of those times. And we need men and women who will stand up. And Jacob Putman for District Attorney of Smith County is the kind of man we need for the future. A man of honor, a man of integrity, and a man of character. And that is why, with no reservation and absolutely no hesitation, I support Jacob Putman for District Attorney for Smith County. And with my endorsement of Jacob Putman for District Attorney, it is my absolute confidence, without any reservation, that he will enforce the laws of the land throughout this county in a fair and unbiased way with equal justice for every member of this county. I have known Jacob Putman his entire life, and I can tell you, the man is tough as nails. But there's also a sensitive side to him and a sense of equality to him. And he will enforce the law without prejudice to any citizen of this community.
I've been at the District Attorney's Office for 9 years, prosecuted over 100 jury trials, thousands of cases, and they know, law enforcement knows, that I support them and I aggressively prosecute their cases to the highest ethical standards. For the last 9 years, I've aggressively prosecuted violators of the law, but I do that without using selective prosecution. What that means is, regardless of someone's wealth, race, religion, social status, or even if they're an elected official, the law applies equally to everyone. No one is above the rule of law. I pledge to aggressively prosecute every violator of the law to the fullest extent of the law. I will uphold the rule of law, apply the law equally to everyone. We'll have the highest ethical standards for all employees of the Smith County District Attorney's Office. We'll be open and transparent with the way we conduct business, responsible in the way we spend taxpayer money, and have clear and concise policies that every prosecutor will know by heart so they can effectively prosecute their cases to make Smith County a safer place to live, raise a family, and grow a business.